Bringing your own meals to work or school is an excellent way to save money and keep your food fresh. That's why investing in a reliable lunch box is a must for both adults and kids. To help you find the perfect lunch box in the Philippines, here are a few things to consider. Make sure it's made of safe materials, durable, and easy to clean. We've done the research for you and have put together a list of the top 5 lunch boxes that will keep your food warm and fresh for hours. So, sit back, relax, and let's find the perfect lunch box for you. Micromatic Electric Lunch Box. The electric lunch box is a portable and innovative solution to keep your food warm and fresh. It features efficient heating function and comes with 2 separate food containers and silverware. It's a perfect companion for work or school, allowing you to enjoy warm meals without standing in long cafeteria lines. Annil Japanese-style double-layer lunch box. This bento box has 2 spacious compartments with adjustable dividers and is made of durable polypropylene that's dishwasher safe. Despite its compact size, it can hold a complete bento lunch with ease, making it a great option for anyone who wants to keep their meals organized on the go. Sunnyware Bento Box. This lunch box has a unique design with 3 sections, perfect for packing a variety of foods and utensils. It's watertight, made of food-grade materials, and ideal for busy parents who want to pack healthy meals for their kids effortlessly. Nordic-style wheat straw lunch box. This eco-friendly lunch box has a Nordic-inspired design, making it ideal for the office or on the go. It's made of microwave-safe wheat straw and comes with a spoon and fork set. With its spacious 2-container design, it's a practical and stylish solution for carrying food for 2 people. TONZE Electric Heated Lunch Box. The TONZE Electric Lunch Box is a practical choice for those who want to keep their food warm without noise. Its stainless steel containers are sturdy and can hold both dry and liquid foods. With a secure lid seal, it's portable and easy to use anywhere with an electrical outlet. Choosing the perfect lunchbox ultimately depends on the amount of space required for storage and the type of food you plan to eat. For individuals working in places where refrigeration may not be readily available, a durable and insulated lunchbox is essential to keep the food at a safe temperature and carry ice packs. Smaller lunchboxes are ideal for keeping cold foods, such as sandwiches or pasta salads, fresh throughout the day. On the other hand, larger lunchboxes can also be used as personal coolers to store snacks and drinks for the entire day. We hope our list of 5 best lunchboxes in the Philippines has provided valuable insight for you to find the right lunchbox for your midday meals. Whether you're looking for a sturdy and insulated lunchbox or a compact one that's easy to carry, our selection offers a wide range of options to cater to your specific needs. If you find our content helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.